This is a demonstration of the actual Star Trek ringtone that you can use for your SMS text messages on your smartphone. It's available in iPhone and Android format. You can purchase a CD of this from our eBay store. Just look up Star Trek Ringtone CD under Seller RiasCRAZYDeals. The following video is one scene that will show you where it was used in the movie. Following this, you will see an actual demonstration with my phone. This ringtone is a real showstopper. People will think you're really cool. Please note, I added in a hiss only on this video to prevent unauthorized copies. The actual sound that you will receive will not have the pulsing background noise. Enjoy!